Hello, what's up guys? In this tutorial I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word. So there are lots of tools, like you can use it online, you can just use it by any kind of software you have. So for myself right now I'm going to show you how to use it, like how to do it in online. So search for PDF to Word. Now you can see that there are lots of websites. So from all of this, I suggest to a small PDF because it's very easy and super fast to complete the process. So what you have to do is, you can see PDF to Word converter. This is the tool. So you have to choose that file, okay, which file you want to convert. So let's suppose I want to convert this PDF file to Word file. So as I have selected, so I have to select convert to Word. So there is a pro version, like convert to editable Word. So if you like have the pro version of it, you can just simply go with that convert to Word and simply choose the option. Now here you can see it's being converted. So here you can see your PDF is editable Word right now. So I'm just downloading. Okay, let me show you that original PDF file, how it was. So if I go to documents and if I go to samples, so here you can see a sample PDF file. So let me show you that converted one. This one is the converted PDF file. So here you can see, you can simply edit that PDF file. Alright, so you can just do and edit whatever you want. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.